One of the rules that I give clients that I really like to abide by is no struggle reps until the end of the workout or till the end of when they're doing that exercise. So what is a struggle rep? Well, usually when we're going through our sets, we're kind of getting our work in, but eventually, of course, you're going to start to fatigue and you get to this point where you're, and then maybe one more, and now, there's nothing wrong with pushing to that level. I know there are some out there that will make you feel like your arms are going to fall off if you push yourself to failure. But the fact is that those repetitions, at any time you're really even attempting reps, and you don't even make it, you're using up an obscene amount of chemical energy in your muscles and compromising how much energy you can bring to subsequent sets. And that's perfectly fine for the end of the workout or the end of when you're no longer going to be doing that exercise or especially working that tension chain. But sometimes we want volume. We want to get reps in for practice. We want to just feel good about getting a lot more practice in working the muscle. And we just simply want more of a chance to work the muscle more thoroughly. And if that's the case, I recommend keeping your sets to be fairly crisp and really strong. And when you start to feel like you're really starting to lose it, then you're done. You go recover. You're not going to need nearly as much recovery because you're not pushing nearly as much into that red zone. And then you can get another good, strong set and get a lot more volume that way. And once you get to that point of, okay, now I'm kind of getting towards the end of what I can do and my technique's starting to falter, then you can really give the muscle as much focus as possible because you don't need to save anything for subsequent sets. So like many things in fitness, it's not if, is going to failure good or is it bad or are saving reps good or bad or whatever. It's recognizing the benefits of doing both and then applying each one at the best times in your workout or in a training program, so that way you get all of the benefits and none of the downsides of either. More videos here if you want to learn more about that. Let me know if you have further questions down below. And also up here, this is my free grind style calisthenics workout program that you can check out for how to apply this in a smarter, more intelligent way for building muscle as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit and live free.